So welcome for today's class of science. Today's question is taken from class 7 science from motion and time chapter. Okay, so let me read the question. So here what is given? Time taken by a simple pendulum for 10 oscillations in 30 seconds. What is the time period of the pendulum? Okay, so what is asked? Time period. So what is the formula for time period over here? Time period is equal to total time taken upon number of oscillations. Okay, so here total time taken is how much? Time taken by a simple pendulum is 10. Okay, the time taken for a simple pendulum for 10 oscillations in 30. Okay, so it will be 30 second. It is okay, 30 second. 30 second it is. Okay, so how many oscillations? 10 oscillations. Total time taken is 30. Number of oscillations we have is 10 oscillations. So 0 will get cancelled. What will be your answer? 3 seconds. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.